2 new modifiers. To further enhance your ability to fine-tune your agreements, we've added 2 new modifiers. Access. This modifier allows you to adjust the labor hours due to the ease or difficulty of gaining access to a piece of equipment. The options are easy, normal, difficult, and extreme. Each of these will adjust the hours for that individual piece of equipment. Environmental. This modifier allows you to adjust based on the environment in which the equipment operates. This modifier affects both the hours and the dollars associated with the individual piece of equipment. The options are clean, normal, dirty, and extreme. Again, the default for these new modifiers has been set to normal, so you do not need to touch them. It is important to note, these new modifiers are only active on some equipment types at this time. The number of equipment types will grow as we collect more data.